Hi, my name's Ian Barnard. I'm a lettering artist from the southeast of England. You can find my work on Instagram at Ian Barnard. And today we're going to be applying some of my lettering to an Adobe Stock template. So I've brought some of my hand lettering into Photoshop. We're just going to drag it onto our libraries and turn it into an asset. I have a client who would like to see this lettering on a t-shirt. So what we need now is a template of t-shirt to apply it to. We're going to head over to our libraries panel and click in the search bar and search for a t-shirt template. The great thing about Adobe Stock is that it's integrated straight into the app. We're going to refine our results by clicking on the drop down just to templates, which will just show Photoshop templates that we need. This first one looks really good. So we're going to license that by clicking on the Cart and Plus button. Click OK, and this will start downloading to our computer. Once that's downloaded, double click on it to open it. In your Layers panel, double click on the Smart Object thumbnail. This will open the Smart Object, and this is where we're going to place our lettering. In the Smart Object, hide the layers there by clicking on the eye icon. Drag and drop your lettering from your library assets and press return. Go up to File, Close. It asks you whether you want to save this. Press Save, and this will return us to our main document where we can see the lettering on the t-shirt, and going over to the Layers panel we can try it in a different colour. I think the green looks good. I'm happy with that. I'm going to send that off now to the client. So I hope you found that useful. That's how easy it is to apply some lettering over an Adobe Stock template.